Hi, welcome to White State Media. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. And today's news, President Mnangagwa has arrived in Maputo, Mozambique, where he will join the Mozambican President Philip Nyusi and Botswana President Mokgweetsi Masisi for the signing of a tripartite agreement on the Tekopayinan deep water port today. It is said that the project's implementation has been under discussion since 2011, but has been on pause due to lack of funding. He was welcomed at Maputo International Airport by Zimbabwe Ambassador to Mozambique, Comrade Victor Matemananda, and officials from the host country's government. Thank you for watching. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news.